You're gonna have to give me my dog back, though.
If you ever want to give her up, or if she needs a new home, or if something should happen to you, I'd love to be her papa.
What would ever happen to me?
Lots of stuff.
Alright, watch your back, bro.
Cozy time, baby.
Look alive!
Well, that was definitely on purpose.
I think I'm hit.
You just wanted his dog.
You did that on purpose. I did no such thing.
Oh my
Listen to
gosh.
me, gorgeous. How long does it take for you to regenerate?
Regenerate? You really are God's perfect idiot, aren't you?
Wow.
How dare you?
He knew.
How was I supposed to know he doesn't regenerate? Look, a donut cart. They're practically hospitals. They sell portable triage units. They don't. I'm gonna get you to safety.
Deep breath.